Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I'm here in Budapest, and it's pretty early morning. We're getting ready for the second day of the HOTCO conference, which is the Central Eastern European hotel conference here, the forum. Today's the last day. It starts early. We wanted to go out and get a little run in before that, before the conference happened. So we just did that and headed back. And now the team's just taking showers and getting ready for the conference today. Lots going on. We've got the whole, I see that the main panels, the real estate development panels are more today in the afternoon. First day, really a lot going on. The hotel sector is alive and well, if anyone was wondering. A lot happening here in Central Eastern Europe on the hotel market. A lot of investors walking around looking to pick up some interesting projects, and a lot of developers, especially here in Hungary, delivering projects. We have St. Regis already, the W's under construction, a lot of big names. Of course, the Four Seasons has been here for a while. Just some really, really fantastic hotels. And looks like the general theme is that business travel isn't 100% back, as we probably all know. And but the leisure travel seems to be booming and will probably continue. So having said that, a lot of meetings here, a lot going on with our CRE awards coming up October 20th here at the Budapest, InterContinental Budapest. Definitely going to be a sold out event. We've got I would say over 30 to 40% of the international guys already booked and ready to come. We also picked up I would have to say or the most active developers in Hungary, in Czech, in Serbia, all coming to the event. So really great start here, and just a few more meetings this week to put that to an end. And I know that next week a lot of you guys are getting pretty excited about the Women in Real Estate Conference coming up. So me too. That sounds like a very interesting event. That's in Warsaw on the 20th. And I just got a message from Christina, who's organizing it. And she said there's a few tickets left. So if you still want to go to that, it's at this Fortessa, which it looks like a really nice place. It is a nice place. So anyway, we hope to see you there. And then next week, of course, a lot of events taking place in Warsaw. A lot taking place every day, it seems, these days. So everyone's trying to get in everything before the end of the year. Anyway, just stay tuned with us. We've got we've got Winston, our editor, coming up with some interesting news for the day. So stay tuned. He'll be with us in 20 seconds. And stay healthy, stay happy. Great to see you all, and I hope you're all doing well. Have a good day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Tuesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And S IMMO has reported another strong performance for the first quarter of 2022. In the first quarter, the operating results increased significantly and gross profit rose by around 28% to almost 30 million euros. Revenues climbed by around 33% to 57 million euros. And according to S IMMO, this development is because the increase in rental income and revenues from operating costs and a rise in revenues from hotel operations. S IMMO go on to say that the focus is now once again entirely on the core business of acquiring, letting and managing profitable properties to strengthen cash flow in the long term. Moving on, and in the student market, XOR Student Housing has acquired or reached an agreement with Basecamp Group and the European Student Housing Fund to acquire around 939 million euro portfolio of PBSA assets operated by Basecamp. This portfolio consists of around 5,341 units spread over 11 newly built assets, 8 are operational and 3 projects are under development, and they're all situated in top-tier student cities like Germany, Poland, Denmark and Sweden. And according to ZOR, the acquisition will lead to an increase in total value of the portfolio to around 3.7 billion euros, and it will enhance the company's profile as the #1 student housing platform in continental Europe with a portfolio of 26,526 units, a presence in 43 top-tier university cities in 8 countries, serving a target of 8.5 million students. Moving on, and Savills, according to Savills' latest research, over 5.7 million square metres of new office space will be completed in Europe this year, which 49% is currently pre-let. In the office market, Savills forecasts that a rebound in demand and an undersupply of new office stock will translate into visibly shrinking availability. And according to Mike Barnes, he's Associate Director at Savills, he says, occupiers' appetite for new energy-efficient space continues to grow to meet self-imposed 2030 carbon emissions targets. Rising energy prices will further accelerate demand for more energy-efficient office buildings. And Karol Grybus, Associate Director, Tenant Representation at Savills in Poland, comments, rising construction and fit-out costs and a rise in utility charges are some of the challenges facing the Polish office market. At the same time, more and more employees are returning to the office and companies are resuming lease decision-making and looking for a head office for years ahead. And finally for today, staying in Warsaw, and JD Sports, a British chain, has joined the tenants at Atrium Targowiec by opening its first store in Warsaw. Customers can now enjoy around 700 square metres of modern office space with a wide range of top sports fashion brands, including many of those that are not available in Poland yet. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com news website for today. For more news, please join us tomorrow. Have a great day.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.